Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to break down for you how you can add columns to your pages and databases on Notion really quickly. So let us get started right away. Head over to your workspace in Notion and access a page or a database you would like to add the column to. So let me go with that test page here for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, simply head over and click where you'd like to place your columns. So let me place the column at the bottom of that page here. Left click, and after that simply type in the command / and then column or COLU, for example, and you will see a list of suggested columns below, like 2 columns, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So let me go with 3 columns just for the sake of this tutorial. That is going to add 3 columns to our page. Here's column 1, here's column 2, and there's column 3. So you may, for example, adjust their position a bit or move them around. And what you want to do, guys, is simply left click on the given column to fill it with content. Like, for example, I don't know, mention someone in that column. So press add, and after that, select the user here to mention that user, and so on and so forth. Or let me add something else to that column, like /image, and then you can, for example, upload an image here, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's basically it. You may, for example, left click on these 6 dots next to the given column, just like that. To customize your column, for example, you may apply a custom text color, or duplicate the given column, or delete it, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's how you add columns to your documents, pages, and databases in Notion in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.